It's the rich plan. One move and have you fucking leaning like a kickstand. Out to get money, nothing funny. It's a sick plan. You can't perform it into shows like 60 30, running like a Tony Hawk. God, I'm a big man. Trying to get a mansion with the pool. Some big land. Step into the jungle, you'll be sinking. Quicksand. Charles for the haters. Damn, at a distance. Whole team whack. I'm cooking like a bad dentist. What's that? We're throwing. Yeah, we got bad members. Keep patrolling. Yeah, you can't get us. You don't wanna beat. I eat them like I'm having breakfast. Pour syrup on the haters now. Stick it with the bowl. Yeah, they trying to waste down. Rolling the blunt. Good shit. You can pass it here. This is the hits. Long guard. You can catch it here. Rich kid gonna touch the clouds. Rich kid gonna touch the clouds. Do you see the green? Rich. Never stopping, always keep it moving like a centipede. Haters wanna copy it and stealing our identity. Never duplicate it, keep fading till you're dead to me. It's the new year, get money to the resolution tag, get your sky high. Watch out for the mass confusion if you need to know the stocks. Yeah, I'm never kidding, cuz you ain't watching, then I guess you never win it. Grab your popcorn, sit down for the main attraction. Inside a game, roll the dice, and we play for action. Subscribers, throwing by the daily. You trying to knock the kid, oh my god, you must be crazy. Until I be the realest. And even with the vision, Amanda out in Valiant, Kenny with precision, Andrew out in Phoenix, Jonah with the big split, Rich is the creator in the rhymes of way you kid. The haters and the trolls, they want to hate. Listen. But what they don't understand is that the more they hate, the higher we elevate. It's true. It's true. The more they hate, the higher we elevate. Look at us now. Dow Jones up 579 points. What? S&P 500 up 63 points. The NASDAQ up 209 points. The global Dow up 54 points. Gold taking it on the chin, down 10 points. And oil bouncing back from those bottoms, almost at $49, up almost 4%. Interesting. So let's take a look. Now remember, guys, I always have to tell you guys this. I always have to remind you guys. Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything. And I mean anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Obviously, you're going to hear all the winners here first. We bring you all the winners first. It's true. And we did predict that there would be a cannabis stock resurrection, and there has been. And as early as yesterday when Apple crashed and everyone was like, Rich, what do we do? Do we buy the dip on Apple, Rich? What did I say? What did I tell you guys? I said yes. And what's Apple doing today? Up 3.21%, bouncing back off the bottom, which is what they usually do. This is why I always say buy red, sell green. Buy red, sell green. It works. It actually works, believe it or not. Believe it or not, it works. Now, Rich TV Live is the #1 platform and community in the world for free, where you at home, you can learn about the markets, okay? You can go to www.richtvlive.com, hover over news, everything is there. Hover over stocks, everything is there. CBDs, cryptocurrency, sports. You want to contact us? You want to join our groups? It's all right there. I ain't hiding nothing from you guys, man. Happy Green Friday, Amanda in Indonesia. How you doing today, Amanda? How's Indonesia treating you today, Amanda? I am in a great mood. Let's take a look at the cannabis market. And guys, remember, give me your picks. If you want me to look at your picks, give me your picks. Let me know what's popping today. I'll let you know what I see. You let me know what you see. You call your friends. I call my friends. We can all be friends on the weekends. That's the notorious BIG. So, North American Index up another 4%, another 9.27 points. That's a good thing. How about in America? We broke 100. Up 4% in America and up 3% in Canada. 15 points. We looking good. We looking good. What a start to 2019, eh? Look at all the green. It's all green. Unbelievable. You know, it's funny. Yesterday, I did a video saying Namaste was on fire, right? So while I was doing the video, the stock was climbing, went all the way to $1.22. You can watch my video where I talk about it. After I did my video, everything came back down. People were taking profits, shorters maybe were shorting, insiders were selling, whatever the case may be, the momentum turned and Namaste ended up only up a little bit. So what do you think came out? What do you think came out? The haters and the trolls, of course. And what did the haters and the trolls say? Oh, look at Namaste now. Look, they're going down. I bet you tomorrow they're going to go down. I guarantee you tomorrow goes down. I guarantee you this run is over. So much for an explosion. Well, where the fuck you guys now? Where you bitches at now? Where the trolls at now, man? I definitely don't see you on the stream. Where you at? I'm here. Where are you at? Where the fuck you at? I'm here right now. Where are you at? Show yourselves, trolls. In fact, I have a song for you guys. Because you bitches only come out when shit goes down. I noticed that about you. You got no guts. You got no balls. You ain't shit, in fact. So, I know your guys' game. I figured your guys' game out. Your game is weak. Your game is soft. You guys are all soft. You only show your face when shit goes your way. But when shit don't go your way, you run. You hide. You ain't got nothing. You ain't got nothing. So because of that, I got songs for you. I got tracks upon tracks upon tracks just for you guys. You know, if you're a troll, I got some advice. Maybe you can listen to the song. It'll help you. If you're a troll and you're getting squeezed, I got a song for you. Just for you. Somebody had to do it, man. TGIF blowing up 11%. TRTC up 11%. Namaste Technologies, where your trolls at? Up 8%. HEXO up 4%. The Green Organic Dutchman up 3%. Kronos Group up 2%. Aurora Cannabis over $7, up 1%. Afria Inc. over $6, up 1%. Canopy Growth up slightly. Jet Li. Yo, where you at, trolls? Where you at? I'm waiting for you, trolls. You only come out when it's red, eh? I figured you guys out, eh? I got your game. I got your game. Your game's weak. Your game's soft. You guys are weak. Bunch of losers. Bunch of weak losers. Why don't you join the Rich TV Live community? We're filled with winners. We don't panic. Man, I told you guys, when the shit goes down, we're going to buy it. And the shit goes high, we're going to sell it. And that's it. It's that simple. 52-week low. They're running, Amanda. They're running. They only come out in the red. They weak. They only come out in the red. Yesterday, Namaste explodes. I talk about it. As soon as my video is done and it comes down, people start, oh, I promise you tomorrow it's going to go down. I predicted it was going to go down. I promise you tomorrow it's going to go down. Where are you at now? Where are you at now, trolls? Where are you at, man? Stop hiding. Come out. Come out to play. Your boy Rich wants to play with you today. It's true. I'm in a great mood. It's going to take a lot to take this mood away. Because we green. Wow, Suniva. Did we not talk about Suniva? Did I not tell you Suniva was grossly undervalued? Did I not tell you that Suniva was near the bottom? Did I not tell you it was a beast? Look at this. I've been marking it, guys. Just for you. Just for you, we found the bottom. Look at this. I marked the bottom. I told you yesterday this bad boy was too big to fail. I told you yesterday this bad boy was a beast, and what is it doing? It's beasting. It's feasting and beasting. Suniva, the canopy of California. Has a nice ring to it, don't you think? Well, this bad boy has gone from $2.80 on December 24th to $4.51 on January 4th. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Yo, Mike, what are you talking about, man? What are you talking about, bro? You're asking me to borrow $50. And then you're saying, don't be fucked up? Who's the one that's fucked up, bro? Who's the one that's fucked up, man? Like, I'm going to be straight with you guys, eh? I got no time for trolls. I got no time for bitches. I got no time for haters, man. You want to be a bitch? You want to be a hater? You're going to get eaten alive. It's true. I got songs for guys like you. I got songs for trolls. I got songs for haters. I got songs for winners. Just decide which one you want to be. You decide which side of the fence you want to be on. This Rich TV Live community, it's only getting bigger. And our members, we're only getting stronger. In fact, tomorrow, we're going to be jamming. I got members from America coming up, rising up to see your boy. It's true. And your boy is the most electrifying YouTuber in the universe because your boy actually meets the subscribers. Your boy actually talks to subscribers. Your boy actually collaborates, believe it or not, with the subscribers. It's true. So, you know your boy will be making more videos with the subscribers on a Saturday. It's true. You can book it. So, all I see is green everywhere. It's totally unbelievable. Give me your picks, guys. I want to know what you guys are watching. I want to know what picks you are finally watching, okay? And I want to know what picks are moving today that I am not looking at. Take a look at Pill, P-I-L-L. I know you like this one, Amanda. I know this is one of your picks, eh? Pill, Cantab Therapeutics, up 9% today. They seem to be making moves. Big moves from Pill. Now, one of the ways that I look at all the markets is I just go to investing.com. I know you love Pill. That's why I had to bring it up for you. So what else is popping today that I got to look at, guys? Is there anything that's popping that I need to look at, that I need to watch, that I need to put on my radar, that I need to put on my watch list? Or do I just have the most electrifying watch list in the universe? Am I already watching all the best picks? What's up? What's up? Yo, what's up, Jason? How you doing, man? Hopefully FSD starts some action. Yeah, you know, some companies are moving and some companies are not, man. The best advice I can give you is if you're in a company that's not moving, get into something that is. I mean, Suniva's moving every day. You got to definitely be thinking about that one, for sure. It's probably one of the best opportunities right now. So let's take a look at all the picks that are popping. Live Well. Wow. LXLLF. Live Well up 30% today. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Live Well. I like it. I like it. I like it. What else is popping today? What else is popping? Let's see. Next Green Wave. This thing is crazy. Next Green Wave, NXGWF, up 25%. All I see is strong buys everywhere. Interesting, interesting, interesting. And then obviously we've got Caliterra Therapeutics up 20%. A Cali without a skull and bones. A Cali without a skull and bones. Like it. Obviously talked to you guys about Suniva. Love this company. All I see is strong buys. Tons of momentum. You guys are going to say, oh, should I buy it now? You should have bought it when it was at the bottom. That's when you should have bought it. But if you want to buy it now, I don't know. Ask yourself, do you think it's going to go higher? I think it will. Will it go lower short term? Maybe. But it's a great company, and it was stupidly undervalued. Stupidly undervalued. Oh, let's see. What is popping today? VBIO is secretly just climbing and climbing, up 10%. Troom up 10%. Namaste Technologies. Look at us go. NXTTF up 9.35%. Where are the haters at? Where's all the haters that predicted it was going to go down today? Where are you guys at? You guys were all over my stream yesterday. You guys were in my comments. Look, it's going down, Rich. It's going down, Rich. Namaste's going down. I told you, I told you, I told you, I told you. It's up. Pokeroo, it's up. Pokeroo. Pokeroo, it's up. Numbers don't lie, but people do, eh? That's all I could say. INSY up another 8%. GNBT, Generics Biotech, up 7%. WAYL, American Group, up 8%. AMD, up 8%. Canada Cobalt Works, up 8%. Cannabix Pharma, CNBX, up 2%. Sproutly, up 7%. That's a pick that I talked about, isn't it? Sproutly, it's my pick. It's up 7%. InMed Pharma seems to be making a sneak attack lately, up 6%. Relentless, SUGR, up 7%. Pixus, PYX, up 7%. Green Thumb, GTII, this thing's been climbing. It was just at $11. It's now at 13. GTII. Integrated Cannabis, ICAN, up 7%. Compugen, CGEN, up 7%. I told you Zynerba Pharma was a beast. ZYNE, up 6%. What else? Agriflora Organics, just doing a sneak attack, man. Growing every day, up 4%. Alcana, CLIQ, up 7%. I love that company. Vivo, it's secretly climbing, up 6%. AUSA, also secretly climbing, up 6%. ADVT, up 6%. The WWE. How many of you guys grew up watching wrestling? It's up at $77, up 6%. Juju, up 5%. Hexo, HEXO, HYYDF in America, up 5%. Exantic Biopharma, GGB, up 5%. YOLO, up 11%. Awesome, up 5%. Planet 13, PLTH, up 5%. XXII, 22nd Century, up 6%. Fire, up 6%. Yo, there's a lot of popping. EAT, up 5%. Tree Knowledge, TOKI, up 5%. Delta 9 Cannabis, 9, up 6%. Cura, man, these are all my picks. Cura, CURA, up 6%. Neo, up 5%. SOL Global is going up every single day, up 5%. POT Network Holdings, POTN, up 7%. ETII, up 5%. I'm running out of breath. Yo, what's up, Nika? How you doing, girl? Does BLPG have any life left? Man, these are sub-penny stocks, man. They're going to go up and down. Does it have life yet? Hell yeah. It's a cannabis stock under a penny. Of course it does. You'd love to have me on your show via Twitter. Who are you guys? Do you have a big channel? What is your show? What is your show? Matika MMJ, up 4%. Veritas Pharma, VRT, up 4%. BLO, Cannabix Technologies, up 4%. MGX Minerals, XMG, up 4%. MCIG, up 4%. BLPG, Blue Line Protection, up 2%. So like these, you guys are asking me about BLPG. It's just another one of those sub-penny stocks doing cannabis. Could pop tomorrow to a penny or two. Could go back down to nothing. This is the risk you take when you play penny stocks, guys. Buds keeps climbing, up 5%. Village Farms International, VFF, up 4%. G-Tech Holdings, up 4%. Amazon, the beast, at $1,500, up 4%. What else is popping? Google is up 4%. Canna Royalty, love these guys, up 4%. KOPN, up 3%. Apple, you guys were asking me yesterday, do I buy the dip? Do I buy the dip? What'd I tell you? I said yes. Today it's up 3%. So I say buy red, sell green, guys. It's almost so obvious. Facebook, up 3%. C-Web, up 3%. Tinley Beverage Company, up 3%. K-Bev, up 3%. Neptune Wellness Solutions, up 4%. I mean, there's a lot up today. Tesla, up 3%. Lyft & Co. at 31 cents, up 3%. CanTrust, TRST, up 3.9%. Goldman Sachs, the big bank, up 3%. Scott's Miracle Grow, wow, it's all the way down to $64, up 3%. IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties at $46, up 3%. Medicine Man Technologies, MDCL, up 3%. T-God, coming back from the dead, up 3%. Liberty Health, LHS, up 3%. CV Sciences, up 2%. Canopy Rivers, up 4%. Man, this goes on and on and on. Weed MD, up 2%. Aurora Cannabis, up slightly, 2.92%. ISOL, up 2%. MJ, the ETF MG Alternative Harvest ETF, up 2%. Hempco Food and Fiber, up 3%. Kronos Group, up slightly. Oxley, up slightly. Afria, up slightly. OGI, up slightly. Chemistry Technology at 52 cents, up slightly. PNTV, up slightly. Kush Bottles, up slightly. I mean, everything is green. Almost everything is green. Oh, so now you're predicting that on Monday all the stocks are going to be red, eh? So were you the same guy that predicted that everything would be red today? Because what happened to that prediction today? It's not that easy, eh? The markets are not that easy. They don't just go green one day, red the next. That's not the way it works. I don't know what school you came from, but it doesn't work like that. The market does exactly what it wants to do. That's the truth. The market does what it wants to do. It doesn't do what people think it's going to do or what some person in my comment section thinks it's going to do. It does whatever the hell it wants to do. Market makers determine the market. Look at the Dow Jones, up 632 points. S&P 500 up 71 points. NASDAQ up 236 points. The global down up 61 points. Even oil is up 1.87 points. And the supposed safe haven that people want to keep pushing, gold, which I keep saying I have no interest in, down 10 points. Because gold hasn't moved in years. So why am I going to waste my time with gold? All these guys, these gold nuts that push gold, look at the gold chart, man. Like, why am I going to waste my time on gold? Seriously, though. I'm just being serious. Why am I going to waste my time on gold? RIV up $1 since Christmas. Yeah, man, there's sneak attacks everywhere. Oh, my goodness. They will be red again on Monday. Watch. They talk about it. Oh, my goodness. Here we go. You guys are already talking about Monday. We can't even enjoy this glorious Friday. You guys are already talking about red for Monday. Come on, man. You guys can't even enjoy the winning, eh? You got to already talk about losing. You're talking about losing on a day when we're winning. And you're talking about losing already. I mean, I don't understand. I'm so confused. You guys are talking about Monday being red. Like really? Really? Oh my goodness. Got a troll song for you guys. figured it'd be a good time to put it out. I'm just gonna enjoy the show. I'm enjoying the Dow Jones being up 600 points right now. Yo, what's up, Lucas? FLKS? Just give me your picks. Drop your picks. I'm back once again. I'm back for the win. Compact, got a shot back, got a shot glass full of gin. I don't fuck with the trolls. That's just how it goes. I ain't never aim for the chest. I'm going right for the throat. Eat a single flow. And you know we got a boat. I ain't never watched comments. That shit just be a joke. Haters are jumping the soap. Wow, FLKS. Yes. 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 FLKS is on fire. Woo! Woo! Are you serving? Beast mode. AGRA. Yeah, AGRA is a nice pick. Thank you for FLKS. Great pick. I like that pick. Wow, HSGX keeps climbing. They were on fire yesterday, up another 24% right now. HSGX. Yo, compound interest stock guy, what up, dog? Hey guys, man, happy 2019. We've had a fantastic, absolutely fantastic start to 2019. Lots of green days. In fact, I think they've all been green days. So, was it green yesterday? A little bit. So, yeah, we've pretty much started 2019 in the green. So, yeah, been a tough year so far for the shorters and the haters and the trolls. There's not really much for them to say. They just all in hiding, I think. They're all in hiding. They're hiding in their caves. The trolls hide in their caves. So when people ask me, Rich, where do you buy? When do you buy? What do you look for to buy? I buy in the red. Literally, I will look at my watch list. This is the same watch list I watch every day. And I just add stocks to this, okay? And as you can see, some of the stocks that maybe were up yesterday might be down today. So this is where you want to be buying. You want to be buying in the red. Okay, this is where I do my shopping, in the red. As you can see, there isn't that much red today. There's actually a lot more green, like a lot more green. But if you were looking to buy, you want to be buying in the red. That is my advice to you, okay? And if you want to be selling, you take a look at all the stocks that are up big. Most likely, they are going to come down. Not necessarily, but most likely, they will come back down. So if you're up 55% on FLKS today, you have to be thinking about selling. If you're up 45%, if you're up 30%, if you're up 28% on any of these stocks, you must be thinking about selling. This is what the rich system is all about, is buying red, selling green. Buying red, selling green. Rinse, repeat. Rinse, repeat. Take the emotion out of it. People are always like, when do you know when to sell? My rule is I sell whenever I see 10% or more. Whenever I see 10% or more returns, I've got my finger ready to sell. That's it. And to be honest with you, I put a lot of my sell orders up before I even, I just leave them up there. Like, I have orders up right now until June. So I don't have to sit there in front of the computer and wait for my orders to get filled. They're just going to get filled over time. That's just how I trade. I don't need to sit there in front of the computer and stare at the computer all day long. Seems like way too much work for me. LBUY was yesterday one of the darlings of yesterday. We're going to mark it. Leaf buyer. Let's mark this. And you could see it made a huge move yesterday all the way to 87 cents. And it came back down yesterday and did a little bit of a dip. And here we are today, back up again, another 10%. So it seems as though a lot of these stocks are shooting up. They're coming back down a little bit. And the next day they're shooting up again. This is not by mistake, eh? This is market makers. This is institutional investors. These are hedge funds. These are insiders. These are whales. These are strategic moves made by people within these companies. Mark my words. These stocks don't just go up like this by mistake. It's not just lucky. It's not just short sellers panicking and covering. It might be some of that. It might be a combination of all of it. But it's not one thing that's making these stocks move. They probably all got together over the holidays and said, all right, boys, we made a lot of money in 2018. Now let's make some money in 2019. Let's start off with a bang. Here's one that we were looking at yesterday. Mentor Capital, MNTR, and they are up again today. You could see the power. You could see the momentum. The stochastics, the MACD, all the indicators, the Bollinger Bands are all pointing up. See, all these indicators are all pointing up. So that shows me a lot of power, a lot of momentum, and Mentor Capital is absolutely on fire. Absolutely on fire. Just climbing daily. What else, people? I want to know your picks. If you guys want me to stay live, please smash that like button. Share this video everywhere. If I win and you win, we win. You want me to stay live? Smash the like button. Otherwise, I gotta go. I'm a busy guy. There's news. I could do some trading. I could make some songs. I could just go celebrate the weekend. You know what I mean? You know, there's always things to do. So, you want me to stay live? You want me to talk about anything? Drop your comments in the chat. Give me your picks in the chat, and I will stay live. Otherwise, I gotta go. First thing you do is hit the like. I know, it doesn't take much to hit that like, eh? It's like literally like press a button. It's like hit that like. Just smash it. Smash it. Oh my goodness. Okay, people. Smash that like button. Comment down below. Share this video everywhere. If I win and you win, we all win. Give me your picks. If you have some really good picks, I want to know what they are. Now's the time to give me the picks while we're live. If you give me the picks and we're not live, we can't look at it. So I know it's early. You're probably still lying in bed. Maybe you don't got any picks. Maybe I've already shown you all the picks. But if you have any picks you want me to look at, now's the time. Or I'm going to have to say goodbye. It's up to you. I'm good either way, to be quite honest. It's a Friday. I'm good to chill. I'm good to chill. Believe me. Believe me. I'm good to go and celebrate my weekend. Let's see here. Let's look at the charts. Elixinol is a strong buy. What's the symbol? Chum is up 10%? Let's see. Let's take a look at Chum. Chum Holdings up 10% on the day. You can see it's been as low as 45 cents on January 3rd. Or sorry, Yeah, January 3rd. Which was yesterday. And then today it's at 49 cents. Let's see here. I want to mark this for more like a month. I actually sold Choom well over $1 earlier this year. So it's funny seeing it at these levels. I think it's really cheap. Like dirt cheap at these levels. It's been over $1. Let's show you guys this. Look at this. See how high it's been? It's been as high as $1.40. It's now at 49 cents. All these stocks have just been obliterated. So I believe in 2019 they are going to see those high highs again. That's why what I do with you guys is I mark the high and I mark the low. And what I really want to do is I want to teach you guys how to start buying these stocks when they're at the low and how to start selling the stocks when they're at the high and how to learn how to identify the low lows and how to identify the high highs. Because it's really quite easy. All you got to do is mark the stock's bottom, mark the stock's top, and if the stock is trading near the bottom, that's the time to buy. It's really that simple. And if it's trading near the top, that's the time to sell. Honestly, it's really that simple. It's not that complicated, but yet a lot of people struggle with this. I don't know why. And I think it's because people panic, you know? When the stocks were down, everybody was panicking, thinking they were going to go lower. And I kept telling everybody, I'm like, this is the bottom. I kept saying it. This is the bottom. 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 I'm going to prove it to you right now. I'm going to show you. Numbers don't lie, but people do, eh? Look at the 3-year chart. This is the North American index. We are right here. So in the last 3 years, are we closer to the bottom or are we closer to the top? Here's the top. Right here. So are we closer to the bottom or are we closer to the top? We are literally coming off the bottom. We are literally coming off the bottom. So there's still a lot of room to go up. A lot of room to go up. And we will go up. I promise you that. Now, will we come back down? Yeah, probably. Probably. That's why when it goes up, you need to sell. And that way you'll have cash. So when it goes back down again, that's your time to buy again. And then when it goes up, you sell again. And then it comes down and then you buy again. And then it goes up and you sell again. And that's how you trade if you want to win. That's how you trade if you want to win. Let's look at all the percentage gainers. We're still totally in the green. Completely green. So it's pretty good. Sell on Q News. Give us the Don't Panic song. You want the Don't Panic song? All right. I'll give you the Don't Panic song since you have a request. And it's one of my favorite songs. It's pretty epic, right? Nika, the market opens at 9:30 in Toronto. That is not early. Girl, 9:30 isn't early. 6:30 on the West Coast, that's early. You make me laugh. 9:30 isn't early, man. 6:30 is early.
You love the green, but you hate the red. It's like you love the sex, but you hate the head. There's no difference. I finish all of your dinners. That mean I'm taking your places. No mistake that you all beginners. You miss me, rinse and repeat. It's Rich TV. You miss me, I'm the one. Jet Li.
374 cannabis companies. 374 cannabis companies. Round and round we go. Don't panic. Don't panic. Here's all the hottest cannabis stocks in the universe right now. Don't panic. Canagro Holdings, CGRW, up 28%. MJNE, up 24%. See if I can add some of these to my portfolio. CGRW. Devil's Paw. 52-week low.
These are opportunities to seize, yo. No peace, though. I don't cheat. I just move when I cruise to the cheat code. Put the limit in. Stop it if you have to. This is mathematics for addicts to latch to. Rich TV Live, he a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low and to sell high. Yeah, I get money because it's all sweet. You're looking at the real Wolf of Wall Street. Yeah,
I get money because it's real sweet. The real Wolf of Wall Street.
This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where we stop, we just don't know. Don't panic, don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and
Watch the show.
pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic. Something has to be done about this. Mr. Attorney, this is what I'm paying for. What can I do? Litigation it is. Get the wheels in motion. Quickly. ASAP. Quick.
So we've actually done 10 songs now. 10 original songs. And I really, really, really like... This is still one of my favorites. If not my favorite. I'm not going to lie. I love this song. This was our first Ill Kid production. I'm very proud of it.
I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound.
Down.
I know you loving the sound. Baby,
Look at me now.
Henny in my cut, yeah, straight up. I don't fuck with no ice cubes. Diamonds stay dripping. I'm a white boy, nice whip with some nice moves. Bruce Lee smoking loose leaves. You swear I'm doing some kung fu. Got a trunk full of birds. Sit down, we playing
Duck, 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 goose.
yeah. I ain't beginning, I've been here before. Haters are mad, well, I even the score.
Score, score, score.
I lay on the beach, take a peek at the shore.
Shot, 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 shot.
My wife is a diamond, you sleep with a whore.
Oh.
Stay true in the business with dirty, that mean nigga looking. And if you get caught, then your recipe cooking. The recipe cook, yes, it has to be drinking. This is no kid play, I got shit to say. I got homies in the CFL to the NBA, word of juice. Anyways,
I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters will bring me down. You loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Look at me now.
talk of my shit. This a rock shit. 3 seconds, I'm a blast off. Alpha Omega, see, I am the past, present, future, really no mask off. Fucking with
Rich.
we getting rich. Yeah, you know my stack strong. Smoking in Philly, it's silly, it's silly. How many trolls trying to take along?
It's true. Coming along for the ride. Yeah, yeah.
I got the keys and you can't get in.
Nah, 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 nah.
Like you're not taking L, so I just had to win. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I run with killers and shooters and savages. I do not listen to you. I do not miss off the kill. I'm in the midst of Peru. Make no mistake, you in the lake, so they go fishing for you. Shooting like my name is Juice. Yo, I mix and produce. Christopher's loose. Listen to haters, they broke, but it's funny. I'm getting money like I'm Mr. Magoo. Greedy as fuck, but I'm
Humble as shit.
I'm lyrical with you, humble as shit. Ghost Rider's writing up all of your head. Your bitch is with me and she's sucking the dick. I don't do this for the clout.
I don't do this for the clout.
You can just get off my clout.
You can just get off my clout.
Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the
Sound,
sound.
sound.
I know you loving the sound. Baby, just
Look at me now.
Yeah.
Honestly, I love that track, man. Yo, I love that track. Absolutely love it. The track is just epic. And then we made a new song yesterday. I don't know if you guys have heard it, but it might be one of the best. And we made this for the Rich TV Live gang. Rich gang, this song's for you guys, man. Listen.
It's true.
Listen.
Rich TV Live, we bring you the picks and the hits. Rich TV Live. If you ain't watching, you definitely not rich. You don't want to trouble with kids. Just a rich clan. one move and have you fucking leaning like a kickstand. Out to get money, nothing funny, it's a sick plan. You can't perform it into show, it's like 60 grand. Riding like a Tony Hawk, God, I'm a big man. Trying to get a mansion with the pool, some big land. Step into the jungle, you'll be sinking. Quicksand, trolls for the haters. Damn, at a distance, whole team whack. Crooked like a bad dentist. What's that? Group throwing. Yeah, we got mad niggas. Keep trolling, patrolling. Yeah, you can't get us. You don't wanna beat. I eat them like I'm having breakfast. Pour syrup on the haters now. Sticky with the bowl. Yeah, they trying to weigh us down. Rolling a blunt. Good shit. You can pass it here. Pittsburgh and Hicks. Long guard. You can catch it here. Rich kid on the touch the clouds. Rich kid on the touch the clouds.
Rich gang gonna touch the clouds. Rich. Haters.
Watch out for the mass confusion if you need to know the stocks. Yeah, I'm never kidding, cuz you ain't watching, and I guess you never win it. Grab your popcorn, sit down for the main attraction. Inside a game, roll the dice, and we play for action. Subscribers, throwing by the daily. You trying to knock the kid? Oh my god, you must be crazy. Until it be gorillas, and Eagle with the vision. Amanda out in Bali, and Kenny with precision. Andrew out in Phoenix, Jonah with the big split. Rich is the creator, and the rhymes are way yo, kid. The haters and the trolls, they wanna hate. But what they don't understand is that the more they hate, the higher we elevate.
True. The more they hate, the higher we elevate, man. It's a fantastic situation. It's a very fantastic situation. I like this song too. This is another one that we made this week. Yo, man, you guys are giving me no picks, man. You guys sleeping today? You guys sleeping today, man? I don't see nobody dropping picks. The market's hot, but nobody's giving picks. So I'm gonna go. Wow, Acreage Holdings. Yo, you guys see the move on Acreage? Yo, this shit is silly. Shit is silly. Look at this move. As predicted. I told you guys this is the bottom. Look at this. Unbelievable. It's doubled since. From $12 to $21. December 20th. That's a big move. That's a big move. Buy in the red, Nika. Buy in the red. Do not buy on green days. Buy on red days. Sell on green days. Do not buy on red days. I repeat, do not buy on green days. Buy on red days. Buy on red days. Sell on green days. Oh yeah, NASDAQ is up big. Look at it. RCGP. ISH making a nice move from the bottom. Just it. The bottom was 12 cents. We are now at 17. I want to show you guys how high this has been in the last year. It's been way higher. Love ISH. It's been as high as 37 cents. Now it's 17. This was the bottom, people. Just look at the chart. It's so obvious. You couldn't get spoon-fed any easier. I mean, this is like spoon-feeding you winners. This is as easy as it gets. You are reading grumblings that Cali is soon to lose its skull and crossbones status since it now meets OTC requirements. Soon to reflect on OTC webpage. I am trying to find out more information. That would be amazing. But I've been through this before working with companies that have had skull and bones, and I can promise you it is not easy, and I don't think that they will just get it removed that quickly. That's my own opinion. Yes, ISH is a franchise-style dispensary. They are going to be a monster. So yes, I agree with you, compound interest stock guy. Yeah, I think ISH can go way higher. Great point, Amanda. I think ISH has so much potential. I think we could easily see this at $1, and it's currently at 17 cents. So if you get a chance, load up. Big news with USMJ and Cali. Just remember with these penny stocks, guys, that they're very risky, very volatile, and I would never suggest that you guys ever buy them. It's like a lottery ticket. Somebody said there was some Juju news. I don't know what the news was, but I know that Juju is up slightly today. So that's good for Juju. Wow, Cali is moving. Cali Terra Therapeutics up 26%. Traded 2.87 million shares. That is a sneak attack, people. Make sure you have Cali Terra on your watch list. Not the one with skull and bones. This is the good one in Canada. K-A-L-Y. Cali Terra Therapeutics. This is the good one that's in Canada that does not have a skull and bones and is up 26%. It is making a big move from the bottom, which was 6 cents, now at 9.5 cents. And I'm going to show you it's been way higher. I think it's been as high as 20 cents if I remember correctly. Whoa, even higher. It's been as high as 40 cents. Whoa. Whoa, and it's now at 10? Yo. Yo, man. This is a gold mine right here. This is what I'm talking about, man. Finding good companies at the bottom. See this? Finding good companies at the bottom. Here's another one that I talked about a little bit. OTCQB company. I like that. Natural Shrimp Incorporated at 2 cents, up 17% on the day. Just look at the 1-day chart. You could see it's had some big movements. Been down here, up here. That's its high. And it's kind of trading right in the middle of its low and its high of the day. So, Natural Shrimp Incorporated up 17%. Nice move for them. LVGI, a sub-penny stock, up 31%. Limitless Venture Group. For what it's worth, that's a sub-penny stock. You might want to look at it. All right, party people. Looks as though a lot of you guys are already tuning out for the weekend, so I'm going to call it as well. I'm going to leave you guys with a tune. Follow the light, guys. Remember, follow the lights. We are green. We are green. It's a green day. It's true. I'm going to go enjoy my weekend. I hope you do too. It's your boy Rich. If there's any breaking news, you know I'll bring it to you first. Dow Jones up 610 points. S&P up 69 points. NASDAQ up 236 points. Global Dow up 59 points. And the cannabis stocks are green. Energy is popping, but she never had a bad night. She loved twisting and turning, dancing and making her earning. Her life is never that born home at 4 in the morning. Take you there. Never be alone. I'ma be
right there. I hold you close, I'ma always care. Don't worry about the past, it's a brand new year. I know a one girl named was Rebecca.
And we are Big Green. Oh yeah, Big Green. Just give me the light. Oh, oh. Just give me the light. Oh, oh, oh.
She let up on it down, rolling up a big slip, take up on the head, and she stop saying good shit. Yeah, she a funny gal, but don't mistake it, cause she taking all the money, pal.
What a week.
She tell him hurry mo.
Look at that chart. It's a thing of beauty. It's been a green week. Everything's green, people. TGIF is on fire. Up 12%. Alright. I'm out. Peace. Pull up selector. Just give me the light. Just give me the light. Pull up selector. Holy Mecca. Oh, oh, oh. Just give me the light. Oh, oh, oh.